First, restart your computer and select the Repair Your Computer option. This will open advanced mode. From there, click on Troubleshoot and then select Command Prompt. In the command prompt, start by typing Diskpart and press Enter. Next, type List Disk to see the available disks. You'll select your internal hard drive, usually listed as Disk 0. To do this, type Select Disk 0 and press Enter. Now, type the clean command, but remember, this will delete all data on your hard drive. Make sure you've backed up any important files before proceeding. After cleaning, type Convert MBR to reformat your hard drive. Once completed, type Exit twice to close the command prompt. Now, turn off your PC and restart the Windows installation process. Choose your Windows edition, accept the terms, and proceed with the installation. When you reach your unallocated hard drive space, click New, apply the partition, and continue the installation. I hope the video was helpful. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.